It's 4 o'clock, June 1st, and this is a tropical storm here in Progreso, Yucatan. The rain and lightning, oh my goodness. The wind blew the windows open in the house. It's unbelievable. It's coming down. Let me see here. Woo! It is really... I don't know if you get an idea. I think the pool's going to overflow. And the water is cold. Anyway. An hour ago, it was 90 degrees. I think the temperature probably fell 15 degrees in 10 minutes. So, we're having a ball here. Out there, turn around, Betty, say hello. Man alive. Did you hear that? Thunder, lightning. Woo, that's coming off the roof. It's not all rain. Anyway, it's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. We still have electricity, surprisingly. Okay, well, I asked for it to cool down. Be careful what you wish for.